So for this one, the last question, two boxes are connected by massless string. The coefficient of the kinetic friction is 0.1 for both boxes. Okay, please note that. And what is the acceleration of the system and what is the tension in the string? In fact, many of you get like 5-6 points for this part because you know how to write down most of the equations. But there are some common mistakes, I will point them out. Okay? So let's look at, for the first object, the force analysis is M1 here, M1G here. This is FK1, okay, this is tension T, right? And for another object, you have M2G here, normal force N here, N2, let's call it, and tension T here. And what is the direction of the frictional force for this one? This way or this way? Okay, so that's one of the common mistakes. FK2 is along this direction, not this direction. Okay. So for this one, you need to decompose M2G. So this is X component, this is Y component. So this is M2G sine 60. You may also use cosine 30. Okay, that's the same thing. M2G cosine 60. Okay. So now you can write down the 4 equations, okay, given by the 2 objects. So X direction for this one should be T minus FK1 equals to, okay, by the way, let's write it. FK1 actually equals to mu Kn1, right? This FK2 equals to mu Kn2. You can put mu Kn1 equals to M1A. Here I already identified this acceleration is the system acceleration, right? And the second equation will be N1 minus M1G equals to 0. So of course this equation will give you N1, so you can put it in here to calculate the frictional force. Okay, and for this one, now again, common mistake comes again. Many of you would, some of you would say the equation is T minus FK2 or T plus FK2 minus M2G sine. But you should write it as M2G sine minus T minus mu Kn2 equals to M2A. Because they move like this. You need to match the direction of the boat. You cannot make them move like this way, right? Okay, so that's third equation. And the last equation is N2 minus M2G cosine 60 degree equals to 0, right? So, okay, even without any calculation, if you correctly write down the 4 equations, 6 points. Okay. And if you do some calculation, didn't get it wrong, you may get 7 or 8, depends on how far you go. And so then you can calculate the right answer. That's all. Yeah, I mean, it's horrible, even with the calculator, because you need first get the expression. The expression should be A equals to M2G sine minus mu K M1G minus mu K M2G cosine M1 plus M2. And P will be M1A plus a mu K M1G. Or you can use another equation to calculate P. But that's if you put number, you will get large. Again, if you don't have calculus, that's okay. If you get these two, you will get 8 points out of from 10. Yeah. Okay. One of the common mistakes is somehow some people put the negative side here, M1 minus M2. It should be M1 plus M2. Okay. Any question here? Okay, so our test is difficult, but if you prepare them well, I think you should pass it, because even we have some difficult problem, you can first do it in the homework. Okay, all the problems should be quite similar to your homework of last example. This one, so that's why I say I assume you didn't pay enough attention to the homework. In fact, this problem, you don't have the same example, no, but it's quite similar to our class example. So probably you look at our notes and somehow manage out like get 6 or 7 points. But this one, many of you totally give up, okay, because you don't see this problem in the class. But you need to do the homework. We are in the homework.
Is that right above the plus on T, is that N1 or N1? Let's say T equals M1A plus.
M1, okay? M1.
I know the other one.
Yes. This is also M1. Okay. And so you have to practice all the homework. So otherwise, you will again have trouble in the second test. Any other question?